over before I even got going. Trade, picked up a 2009 Artic Cat SnoPro 600. From what we can tell, this is actually a race sled. It was basically what you call Artic Cat mods. It didn't run very good when we first got it going, but quick tune-up, a couple hours in the garage. Honestly, I should have just filmed it, but it's one pull and it started. New set of plugs, some case oil. The idle might be a hair high, but we're still warming it up. We 80 hours on it, 1400K. Kind of the start to something new for the channel, a little more appropriate. Hi guys, Mark's Midwest Snow Cake president. I've been talking with him the past couple days and came to the conclusion that I really just didn't want the car anymore. So we're gonna take it for a quick burn, make sure it's happy, but it's running a lot better since we first got it. Okay, I'm gonna film Mark. I lost my hat. I got crazy hair. This thing pulls the front like nothing, like they watched me. It's just spinning. That's gonna get me in trouble.
Get it in the garage quick, cops are gonna be coming.
Yeah, cops are gonna be coming.
Especially with Mark on it. Oh Jesus.
Like it spins like instant.
Yeah. Well, that's because it's got nothing to grab right now.
Oh, I know.
Get it out with a little bit of powder. Mark, come back before the cops get here.
It's Jamin. Hey! Oh, it's Jamin. Well guys, a little bit of follow-up from last night after craziness. A little bit of figuring out that this thing is legitimately a race sled. That's why we were ultra what in the hell. We had actually just in the process of putting on some hand warmers. You can just see them here, and a thumb warmer. I'm just taking the time to make sure I run the wires nice and tidy. Working on one side, and I'm going to run them down the barlet here and into the center, down underneath, and all the wiring will get tucked up in underneath here. Mark put a new kill switch on Kaya's triple, and now he's working on putting a primer on it because these old sleds, they don't keep a lot of fuel in them, so you've got to prime it so you can get a nice start. We did another one pull start on this thing, which proves that this unit's a nice little unit, and it's gonna go. So we're gonna keep working away here. I'll give you a progress update. Got some green bar ends to put on, so that way we're matching the covers. And yeah, we did pick up actually a windscreen too. $25 at Lethal for a brand new Artic Cat windscreen. It's not exactly the right one, but with a little bit of trimming, and fitting will actually make it work really well. I do have a lead on a brand new top hood. I'm hoping to find a used one in the spirit of cheap Facebook. This will be part of my Facebook marketplace. Slides, trades, deals. This is probably going to stay with me, but this is going to be one of my cheap marketplace deals. And then a new branch of the channel being sledding. We knew it was coming. It was just a matter of when. And this is going to be a great little sled around here. And hopefully I can grab a newer sled in late season or early next season. So stay tuned. We're going to keep working. Well, guys, all done the quick transformation. If you saw the video earlier, the windscreen really made this sled look better. Added just some cheap rubber grips, and then we got electric hand warmers underneath. Pretty simple stuff. This machine is actually a lot of fun so far. As you saw in Mark's video, it kind of gets a guy worked up. We're all tidied up for the night. I gotta do some cleaning in the garage here in the next 2-3 days, but I'm happy with where we're at. I got my plasma cutter pulled out because I'm actually gonna try and sell it because I really don't need it. But needless to say, guys, not a bad little purchase. The windscreen, by the way, cost me $25 at Lethal. And Mark spent maybe half hour, 45 minutes kind of with a razor blade trimming back some of the pieces. It really wasn't meant for this sled, but you know what? It works really well. I'm going to focus now on trying to find a whole side, hood, the whole kit and caboodle, and then give it a proper wrap. But overall, guys, very happy with this purchase. It's a purchase. It's a trade, whatever you want to call it. But I have been wanting to get back into sledding for a long time, and this is a good opportunity to do that. So I'll close out there. Hopefully some footage of me snowmobiling now. That didn't last long. 15-20 minutes in, and Nathan's mod sled blew a belt. You can see all the debris with course, his spare is
Brand
sitting.
new belt too, so be careful.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll take it easy on it.
Nathan's spare is sitting in Lloydminster. So we got my spare, and it's a hair too long, but it works better than what he had. His remnants are somewhere. So that's what it goes, guys. Nathan just had his sled fixed after his first ride of the year and broke. So we're going to take a small break here as Nathan de-stressifies, and we'll probably continue on. Well, editing the video, I totally forgot to film an outro. I'm going to do a part 1, part 2. There are some more Turtle Lake footage with Midwest Snow Kings. That's that logo, guys. I'm doing a bit of a partnership slash sledding with them because they're our local group, helping them out kind of like I do with LMC. Mark's one of my best friends growing up, so it's only more appropriate. We've got a mountain trip planned here in January, right around my birthday, so that's going to be a fun time. I don't know if I'll take the 128 out, that 600 SnoPro. I'm going to try and convince somebody to lend me their sled or try and get something lined up. But yeah, so we're moving forward, guys. That's part 1 of part 2 of our intro of the Ditch Pickle, the SnoPro 600 there. It's kind of a neat sled. Goes like snot. We're going to pick up some avgas, and we're going to test this thing on avgas. That's going to be fun. And go from there. So if you guys liked the video, make sure you subscribe. If you're new here with the snowmobile content, guys, I'm a very off-road diversified channel is my plan. I've got my LS swapped Land Cruiser that I'm going to do some off-roading with still in winter, but I needed to expand my horizons a little bit, and this was an opportunity. And I'm sorry if you're a Subi, if you came here for Subi content. I just as much as I wanted to build it, the way I wanted to build it wasn't going to do what I wanted to do, and it was going to be a very limited market. So anyways, guys, you guys have fun, take care, and I'll see you in the new year.